Today's poetry, Live Act, written by Dr. Anwarul Haq. In the silence of night, a whisper cries, life burden way beneath the skies. A heart that bears the scare of time, in every beat, a silent chime. The world moves on, yet still I stand, with dreams like sand slipping through my hand. Each dawn a new hope, each dark a tear, in the mirror, reflection of fear. Yet in this pain I find my song, a melody where I belong. For the depth of life, cruel jest lies a truth, a quiet rest. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like and share this video clip.